Hi everybody, welcome. I'm going to do a little video on a con-specific skill that is to convert percents to fractions. A lot of you guys were struggling on this one, so I want to demonstrate it for you, just as if I was a student going through it on con. So convert percents to fractions. Click on that. It says you got to get 4 questions, so let's go. It says the audience thinks 30% of Brandon's jokes are funny. What fraction of Brandon's jokes does the audience think are funny? So they're basically asking what is a fraction that's equivalent to 30%. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to open up our little whiteboard. I'm going to show you guys how you do this. Very simple. So 30%, percent means for every 100. So this symbol, percent, literally means out of 100. Okay, that's the same exact thing. Okay, and so this is 30 out of 100. You just take the 30 and put it out of 100. Now, once you have that, you need to simplify the ratio. So you're going to divide top and bottom here by 10 because you can simplify because both have a common factor of 10. And you're going to end up with 30 divided by 10 being 3. Notice you just kind of cancel that 0 out. And 100 divided by 10 being 10. So this is the same as 3/10 in simplest form. So when you go over here to put in your answer, what you're going to do is just going to put the answer. And if you click inside, it says a simplified proper fraction like 3/5. So we're going to do 3/10. So this is just 3/10, just like they showed you in the picture there. And there we go. Our answer is correct. Now we go to the next question. It says 35% of a number is what fraction of the number? Once again, just converting percents to fractions. So we're going to do the same exact thing. So this is 35% this time. So 35 for every 100. And the percent means for every 100. So that means out of 100. And the numerator is going to be the 35. So that goes to the top. Then you got to simplify it. So divide top and bottom by whatever is a common factor. And 35 and 100 both end in either 5 or 0, so they divide by 5. So we can divide top and bottom by 5. And as long as you divide the top and bottom by the same value, you've got a giant 1 that you're dividing by, right? Which is going to be the same value, it's in different form when you're done, because anything divided by 1 is equal to itself. So 35 divided by 5 is 7, and of course 100 divided by 5 is 20. So the correct simplest form is going to be 7/20. You go back over here, you put 7/20, and you're good. Then you go to the next one. It says 80% of Steph's annual income is from her full-time job. What fraction of Steph's annual income is from her full-time job? Once again, what is the equivalent to 80% basically, right? So if you think about it, this process is exactly the same, right? So I can almost like leave everything intact, right? Nothing's going to change except the values you put in there. So watch this, 80%. Okay, that's the same as 80 out of 100 because percent means for every 100. And then divide top and bottom by whatever common factor you can find. So divide top and bottom here by 10, and you get 8/10. And then you can keep going, divide top and bottom by 2, and what you get is 4/5. Okay, so the simplest form of 80% is 4/5. You could have divided straight away by 20 and gotten the same thing, right? Because 100 divided by 20 is going to be 5, and 80 divided by 20 is going to be 4. So 4/5 is our answer. Now we go back over here, we put in 4/5, and we're good to go. All right, and the next one says 24% of a number is what fraction of that number? Once again, same concept, but I'm not going to leave everything because of the fact that it caused a graphical glitch. So I'll write it all out again. And so we over here, 24%. So 24% means 24 for every 100. What can you divide top and bottom by? Divide top and bottom by 4. And 24 divided by 4 is 6, and 100 divided by 4 is 25. So your simplest form is 6/25. And that's how you do it. That's it. Okay? Hopefully that was helpful to you guys.